Hi and welcome to another unboxing movie by Tech Data. Today we have a brand new product that sits in the Maverick AV Solutions portfolio. It's the newest addition to the ThinkSmart office range by Lenovo. It's the ThinkSmart View. So this is an unboxing movie, so I'm gonna open the box live in front of you. And what we find inside is actually the ThinkSmart View itself, a power supply, and for those of you that really like to read how this works, we also have the manual included. The ThinkSmart View is an Android-powered device, and although it's Android-powered, it runs the Microsoft Teams calling and video agent. It has an 8-inch touch display, and you can also put it in portrait. So that's something I personally really like because it allows multi-purpose usage. It has a 5-megapixel camera, 2 far-field microphones. It has a privacy shutter for your camera. We also have 2 buttons that manage volume, and we also have a mute button. All right, now let's plug in the AC adapter and see where the magic happens. So as you can see, the device is booting up. We're seeing the Lenovo logo popping up right here. And this brings us to the first page of the setup, which is actually selecting the language. And then it will ask us to have a Wi-Fi connection. So just to be clear, there is no other cable besides the power supply unit, so it works solely on Wi-Fi, but it's an enterprise product, so it will fit into your corporate network with no issues. And then it will ask for a Bluetooth pairing. So what you can do with this, and this is really cool, you can pair your Bluetooth headset to it, and then you can use it as a telephone endpoint, or when you have private calls, for example, you can use your headset to enable your collaboration. So we're gonna skip this for now because I don't have a Bluetooth headset. So, and it's already booted up. So now we just gonna sign in to our Teams agent, and then we will link this device to our account. So we're now logged into the device, and you can see we have different tablatures. So we have our calendar and also a button that shows our voicemail. What's really cool, and this is a really great feature of this device, so you have this one button join. So if you want to join a meeting, it's just really easy. You press one button and off you go. And then you can see those known Microsoft Teams tools. So you have your camera, your microphone, your speaker, which you can all turn on and off, just like you're using your laptop. But having the ThinkSmart View as your side of room display enables you to fully keep on using your laptop for your productivity while being and keeping engaged in your video conferencing call. And then one of my personal favorite things, and that's actually if you do not like the white background of Teams, there's a setting and it's really easy. You can just flip it and join the dark side. You might prefer this layout. I do personally. You can use it portrait, and then you get a really nice overview of your day-to-day tasks and your upcoming meetings. Another feature that I really like is the hot desking feature, what actually enables anybody to just log into this device and make it theirs for just one day. This was my unboxing video on the Lenovo ThinkSmart View, a great personal collaboration device enabling Microsoft Teams. And that's just the great thing about it. Because it is running Teams, the possibilities are endless when you look at features and what's to come. And now that we know that Microsoft has defined this as a new device category, we're for sure there are many things to come. And that's just one of the reasons why we love the new Lenovo ThinkSmart View.